Is it easy for you to manifest anything you want? Are your manifestations coming? And is the gate to your manifestation, are they wide open? If they're not, I want to let you know that your manifestation's supposed to be easy to come through because you desire it, and your entire universe is also trying to make them happen for you. Then why is it not coming through? In this video, I will introduce you this easy formula to manifest all your deepest desires. So if you're able to master this formula, I will guarantee you that there will be little to no resistance for you to manifest all your deepest desires. Hello, this is Haley. Welcome to my channel. I help people raise their consciousness and manifest their favorite realities. During the past few years, I have done a lot of work on myself. I have worked with a lot of healers, and I have done a lot of researches on topics like law of attraction, self-improvement, and manifestations. So it is my goal to share everything I know in this channel. So please subscribe if you are also on this beautiful path to self-improvement. And by subscribing to this channel, you are also subscribing and signing up for this magical, expansive power of manifesting. So I want to explain first a little bit about what it really means to manifest, okay? We say like manifesting all the time, but what does it really mean? And also there are so many manifestation channels out there, so many videos, so many contents. I don't want to make it more complicated than what it really is, okay, which is really simple and easy. Manifesting a specific outcome means to bring that thought, bring that desire into reality. Okay? So if you want a specific outcome for your life, it's easy for you to come up with the thought first, right? About, oh, I want this specific thing. Whether it's I want a healthier lifestyle, I want a better relationship, I want a better job, I want more money, etc., etc., etc. How to make that thought, that wish, into the material realm, into the actual possessions or the actual reality that we're living in. The process, the journey is what we call manifestations. So a thought is actually existing in the higher dimensional space. We are right now living in the three-dimensional space. A thought is actually higher than three-dimensional. To explain a little bit about this, in three-dimensional space, we have concepts like space and time. So we can move forward, backward, left, right, up, down, okay? We have space and we have the limitations of time. So there's yesterday, there's now, there's tomorrow. But what I mean by thoughts coming from a higher dimensional space is that a thought is not bound by space and time. Every one of us can think unlimited number of thoughts, and those thoughts can also be unlimited. You can think whatever you want, okay? You can actually desire whatever you want. You can make a goal about whatever you want. And it is already valid and existing in the higher dimensional place. It is already there. The problem is how to bring it down into our three-dimensional space so our physical body can enjoy the material abundance, okay, from our manifestations. So how to exactly manifest? How to exactly bring down that desire from higher dimensional space to our 3D space? Let me introduce you this very simple, straightforward formula. It's your strong thoughts positive feelings, and consistent constructive actions. All three of them, okay? You cannot do it without one or the other. Now, thoughts and feelings, they're more vibrating at a higher dimensional space. It's unlimited. It's not bound by space and time. But actions is the process of bringing down the high dimensional stuff to our current reality. So they're all very important to one another. They're working like hand to hand with each other. They're like yin and yang, okay? You cannot just think and feel all the time and you're not doing the job, you're not doing the actions, you're not gonna manifest. But if all you're gonna do is hustle and working hard and actions, a lot of actions towards it, but you're not like putting out the intentions, you're not doing the mindful job about it, you're not gonna make it. So I'm gonna explain a little bit in detail about each one of the three in the formula. So first, strong thoughts. It actually is your core belief system about the specific thing that you're manifesting. If you have the right and strong belief system about it, your inner voice should always sound like, I deserve this specific thing, and I know that I am ready for it. You will have such strong inner voice talking to you all the time when you're engaging in this manifestation. If you have this very unshakably strong belief system about this specific manifestation, taking actions will be very easy and automatic for you. If you believe in so much, it's gonna be like you're gonna feel very inspired to take actions, okay? You don't have to like have other external forces to kind of force you into it. You're just gonna be very proactive and want to catch whatever opportunities you see that you believe will lead to that specific outcome. So you see how thoughts, feelings, and action taking, they're all like working together as one. That's what I mean. You cannot really do it without one another. Also, if you believe it strong enough, you are starting to embracing the identity that comes with it. If your manifestation is becoming a wealthy person, you will embrace that identity of, I am a wealthy man and I have so much abundance to enjoy. It is like you wearing the clothes of that specific identity, You are wearing it, you are acting from it, and you're feeling the emotions that come out of it. It's automatic that you act according to that specific identity that you embrace. If you have that mindset about wearing this identity, you are now talking to yourself like, I am rich. I am a rich man. I'm a rich woman. I am absolutely enjoying all the abundance in this world that I deserve. Which leads to our next important component of this formula, positive emotions. If you are already wearing that clothes, wearing that identity, and you are acting from that identity, then it's very automatic for you to feel very grateful and joyful about your realities, about your life. Because imagine that now you're already this person, right? You're already this person that you desire so much to be. Your wishes, your dreams already come true. You already feel so abundant and so safe from that identity. You're already there. Then what is the reason not to be grateful about life? If you are that identity that you desire to be, then all you're feeling is gratitude. A lot of positive emotions coming out of it. you are bringing down the positive emotions from higher dimensions to the lower dimensions. Even now, okay, we haven't talked about action taking. You haven't taken any actions. And obviously, like your material realm hasn't truly been manifested. If you wear that identity into your daily practice, and then all you feel is that your desired energy is so close to you already, you will feel it in your body, in your spirit, in your emotions, that this positive thing is coming. And then all you do, okay, when you are working towards it, when you're eating, when you're walking, when you're doing your laundry, whatever, like regular things in your life, you will have this prominent feeling that your manifestations will be coming. And there's a sense of excitement and so much joy coming out of your heart. By wearing the identity, by having strong thoughts, you activate your portal to feel the manifestations coming. In order to manifest it, you have to feel it first. Then, after you have a strong thought, after you have been feeling the positive emotions from the manifestations about to enter into your reality, it's very easy for you to take actions. Again, there will be little to no resistance for you to take that actions, okay? There's so many people saying that, oh yeah, I have so many desires in the world, but it's so hard for me to take actions. I procrastinate all the time. I leave the important stuff to tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow. If you're there, you probably need to go back and work towards your belief system and your heart, your emotions a little bit. Okay, because if you really master your thoughts and your emotions, it's going to be automatic for you to take that action. And by taking action, I mean consistent and constructive actions. There are two parts of it. Consistent means that you're patient about it. So growth and transformation and manifestations, they do take some time. And they do need to work with divine timing. So you need to respect that. Respect the process. Even if it's right now, it's not entirely manifested just yet, you have to trust the process, trust yourself, trust the timing of it. And then there's constructive action. What I mean is that you have to take the action that is straightforward, that goes straight to the desired outcome, okay? Don't like, I'm gonna plan a little bit here, I'm gonna like do all the things around it, okay? I trust you know very well what specific actions, what specific work that you need to do towards that desire. But don't make detours, don't like shy away from taking that action. Take the most straightforward, shortest, fattest actions to get there, okay? You deserve it. Finally, I want to share to you one of my most recent example about successfully manifesting my desired reality, which is the place I live right now. It is so amazing. It fits really similar to what I was manifesting. So I was moving out of my parents' house and I was manifesting a specific apartment that's surrounded by so many nature. Okay, I love to be around nature. And I envision myself having this balcony. There's so much sunlight and there's so many trees and mountains and water also around it. And my dad was kind of distracting me from this because he was like, oh, it's safer if you live in like this specific area, right? But this area was not exactly what I envisioned myself. My energy, my thought feels like I deserve the specific apartment. I'm gonna find it and I'm gonna really enjoy it. And I start to embrace the excitement and all the little like hikings I can do, like these morning routines and morning hikes, because I live around so much nature. I started to envision that, and I started to feel so excited and joyful. And I did the constructive, consistent actions by constantly browsing for options and going to the house tours and seeing in person how each apartment is. When I actually tour my apartment, my current apartment, for the first time, I noticed there are so many magical synchronicities. Okay, the numbers just flying into my reality. Like I open my phone and there are numbers like 1111, and then it was at lunchtime. So after lunch, I come back here again, and it shows 1234. And I got introduced to my garage space, which is master number 11. And also my apartment number is also my favorite number. And I have these chills, I have goosebumps all over my body when I first toured this space. And I was like, yeah, this is definitely it. I feel it in my body. I feel it everywhere, okay? The energy, it's insane. So this is just a little like story that I have to encourage you and inspire you to manifest all your desired outcomes. They're already there in the higher dimensional space, and all you want to do is follow this easy formula that I introduced you in this video and bring it down into the three-dimensional space. You deserve to have it. Okay, if it's serving your highest power, serving your highest goods, you deserve to make it happen and fully enjoy it. Thank you so much for this video. Let me know if you want any like similar contents like this, and feel free to comment for anything. I appreciate you very much, and let's meet each other in the next video.